Dr. Odonga has issued an apology on behalf of the people of Pade and also on behalf of Acholi for the mistake which was made by Komakech Christopher. Komakech Christopher's mistake has caught Ugandans' attention, with many Ugandans reacting online, criticizing his behavior. Ugandans are fuming and expressing dissatisfaction to the remarks which was made. That Kizza Besigye's suffering could be, the hunger strike is linked to mental health. Odonga said, I like to apologize to Kizza Besigye, Ugandans, and the Jay-Z community over the reckless, childish, insensitive, and irresponsible statement made by Komakech Christopher, MP Aru County, over Kizza Besigye hunger strike. Christopher is gay and should spend time looking for his tribe and father. Someone by the name Paul Lokech, using a username as David Okulu, replied, Christopher is gay will be the main campaign statement, and that is how Komakech will fail. And then another person by the name Kobam said, Honorable, you don't have to apologize. The guy is simply following a script like many others in the same boat. Bigaba Arthur said, Dakitari, isn't this very harsh? And then Abzolam Alawang said 2026, then put some laughing emoji. Obrev said political comeback. And then lastly, a man by the name Honorable Musunguzi Patrick said, indeed, your boy made a reckless statement. He is either ignorant or he has a mental problem, meaning he's saying Komakech is having a mental problem. This is a word from Musunguzi Patrick. And also he said, I call him your boy because we expected him to walk your footsteps and to have learned from you. So every criticism has come for the remarks made by Komakech Christopher. Then also on the other side, a person by the name, this is just a sample of what people are saying about Christopher. Elizabeth Akayo said, I remember MP Christopher Komakech was a nurse in Butakbika Hospital. So it's understandable when he associates Dr. Besigye's decision to go on hunger strike as mental illness, because his head is limited to that only. That's a remark from Elizabeth Akayo. So whole will be available on Acholi TV coming in anytime. So be subscribed. Thank you.